Hi, I am the developer assigned to this project.
I am the IT director and I am very important. I have an associate's degree in computer science with an emphasis in logins and firewalls. Are you qualified to take on such a complex project such as this?
I have a doctorate degree in physics, computer science, business, and music. I also have 19 certifications in Microsoft technologies. I have been a NAV developer for 16 years and have performed over 300 upgrades in the last 4 years.
I have been working here for 6 months and already have set up several very complex firewalls to create an almost impenetrable network. Your login credentials will change randomly and will be sent to you from Denmark in 5 separate emails. You will be required to install a 54 GB virtual machine with a Citrix VPN that will tunnel you into our terminal server. From there, you will RDP into a Windows XP virtual machine installed on a Boot Camp-enabled MacBook Pro that sits next to me on my desk. I sometimes close the lid to save energy, so you may lose all of your work if you don't save your work frequently.
That sounds crazy, but normal.
Do you understand the requirements?
Yes. I understand that this is a unique upgrade project and that there will be no customizations carried forward into the new database.
You seem like you don't understand the requirements.
All of your customizations are to be removed. You would like to use all base NAV functionality after go live. Is this correct?
You are correct. We would like all of our customizations removed. We do not want any customizations moved forward into the new DB. Our previous VAR was made up of circus monkeys. They managed to make a mess of everything in our DB. I have tested the test DB that you have supposedly prepared and it is all wrong. All of the role center screens look different from our old DB. And look at this screenshot of the old purchase invoice screen. This is how I need it to look. You seem like you don't understand the requirements.
These are all pages. The role centers are pages. The purchase invoice is a page. The pages are different because they do not contain any of your customizations per your requirements. Microsoft has also changed the user interface considerably since version 6.0.
I understand, but we want all of our pages to look the same as our old system. We would like all of our page customizations moved into our test DB. Please make that happen.
I have analyzed all of your pages. I've compared them to base NAV and found that none of them have any customizations. Perhaps the pages look different because you are logging in under a specific profile and this profile has personalization configurations. These will need to be customized based on the changes that Microsoft has made in this new version of NAV. It would help me if you could let me know what specific profile you are using to log in so I can see what you are seeing.
I would think that you should already know this. You seem like you don't understand the requirements.
I will analyze the metadata to determine what fields you have moved around on each page and each profile that you have configured.
I have created 37 complex profiles, one for each employee.
I can then log into the RTC for each profile using the configure parameter and customize all page personalizations for each profile. I will also have to visually compare each page with your old DB to make sure I get the field order looking the same as your old DB. This might take 7 to 20 hours. Is this what you want?
It is critical that this be done by noon Eastern Standard Time today. I am leaving on a 2-week vacation and will have limited access to email.
I have made the configuration customizations and you should now see all of your pages the way that you have requested.
The pages are still not showing all the fields. Look at this screenshot. See the due date field. It is missing from the test DB.
I see the field in a screenshot. This does not look like it came from your old DB.
This screenshot shows the credit memo page with some very important changes that I made just this morning in our production DB. I have modified this page and have made several very important customizations to our production personalization configurations that involve these new customizations, and you need to make these changes in the test DB. There are other changes that you need to find that I made and do not have time to document them for you. You will have to find them and bring them forward into our test DB.
We ask that you don't make customizations to your configurations or page objects during this critical phase so close to go live. We need to focus on testing and code stability for a successful go live.
I understand, but these changes are very important. Our purchase invoice controller is very busy and needs the pages to look exactly the way he wants them so that he can do his job more efficiently.
I understand.
I will test during my lunch break today. We will want to go live later this afternoon at 5 Eastern Standard Time. Will you have time for this very important task?
Yes, I have planned on spending the entire weekend on this task. My entire professional career up to this point has prepared me for this moment. I have moved my bed into my office and will sleep with my eyes open so I can monitor the screen in case anything should go wrong.
What do you mean? What could go wrong? You seem like you don't understand the requirements.